Smartphone companies dislike it when details about their new products are revealed before the official launch, and they often take action against those who leak information to maintain the element of surprise. To avoid such issues, well-known leaker Evan Blass has come up with a smart way to show us a sneak peek of the Galaxy Fold 6, Flip 6, Watch Series 7, and Ring. Companies have their own quirky ways of handling things, which is why Samsung casually leaked the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 a few days ago and even showed a picture of the Galaxy Ring at the January Galaxy Unpacked event. However, they still dislike it when leakers reveal information. To avoid getting on Samsung's bad side, Evan Blass has posted official teaser images of all the products that the South Korean giant is expected to announce on July 10, the likely date for the next Galaxy Unpacked event. Since the teaser pictures are so pixelated, you can't see the finer details, but they do give a general idea of what the devices will look like. Plus, we already have a good idea from other leaks about these products' appearances. These images seem to confirm those rumors, assuming they are pixelated versions of Samsung's official teaser images. For instance, the Fold 6 will have a boxy design with sharp edges, while the Flip 6 will mostly look like the Flip 5 but might be a bit thicker to fit a larger battery. The images also reveal the two watches Samsung will announce next month, a Watch 7 and Watch 7 Ultra. These watches will feature a new design and will likely be positioned as competitors to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Lastly, we get a glimpse of the Galaxy Ring, Samsung's first finger-based wearable for monitoring health. Since not all leakers are as considerate as Blass, we'll likely see higher resolution images of these products in the days leading up to the event. We also have the first clear look of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Before talking about that, Samsung has confirmed that its upcoming foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, will feature enhanced Galaxy AI. Samsung EVP and head of Mobile R&D Office, Mobile Experience Business Won Jun Choi penned a blog post today in which he confirmed that the company plans to further optimize the Galaxy AI experience for the upcoming foldable devices. He said, "Our foldables are the most versatile and flexible form factor in Samsung Galaxy, and when combined with Galaxy AI, these two complementary technologies will together unlock all new possibilities." Samsung's approach combines the instant response and privacy of on-device AI with the versatility of cloud-based AI. This ensures a balance between performance and security. One notable feature, Live Translate, will soon work with third-party messaging apps and support voice calls, keeping your data secure on your device. As neural processing units get more powerful, Samsung plans to move more AI features onto the devices themselves, promising faster and more private mobile experiences. As for the design, Ice Universe also talked about that on his X account. He said, "Samsung Fold 6 is just a square version of Fold 4 and Fold 5 without any substantial improvement. Consumers will soon see through this trick. No matter how Samsung decorates its camera appearance, essentially nothing has changed. It is still the same, and consumers are tired of it." Ice Universe also talked about the cameras of the Z Fold 5, seeing that many people still don't know the camera specifications of Galaxy Z Fold 6. "I'll emphasize it once, all its camera specifications including front camera, rear camera, UPC, and aperture value are exactly the same and there is no change. Exactly like Fold 4 and Fold 5. So we are not going to see any changes in the camera department." Someone asked a question to Ice Universe, "What's the selling point of the Z Fold 6? Ice said, "The so-called AI." Ice Universe is 100% right in my opinion. Do you agree with this? Now let's talk about the first clear look of the Z Fold 6. Sharp-eyed Samsung fans noticed the designs of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 when the company mistakenly posted a marketing image on its website for Kazakhstan. As shown in the image, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 resembles the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with sharp edges and less rounded corners. The triple camera setup of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 also matches the design revealed by tipster Ice Universe last week. The phone also appears to feature a slot-shaped loudspeaker on the top, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy A55. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a large cover screen and a dual-camera setup, just as anticipated. In my opinion, the S24 Ultra cameras look way more premium than the new Z Fold 6. I'm not a fan of the huge thick rings sticking out. According to the tipster Anthony, "I hope the huge cameras on the Z Fold 6 mean better sensors. The difference in spacing is crazy between the Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 6. We can see the difference in these photos." Here's some more live photos of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy. Anthony shared a photo of the dummy unit. This new dummy unit shows its possible back design. The cameras are very close to each other, and we also see the new square design. TechDroider shared two photos on his X account with the caption, Boxy design like the S24 Ultra, wider cover screen, slim bezels, and sharper edges. After years of dominating the foldable phone market, Samsung is now facing tough competition and needs to prove that its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the best foldable phone. The pressure is on because other companies have caught up and Samsung's grip on the market is slipping. It's a big chance for Samsung to set a high standard for all foldable phones this year. Samsung can't afford another minor upgrade like last year's Z Fold 5, which faced tough competition from the OnePlus Open and Google Pixel Fold. Here are the most talked about rumored upgrades for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. For 5 versions, the Galaxy Z Fold had a screen that looked taller than other tablets, but the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might change that. It seems like it will have a wider screen on the outside, which will make it easier to hold. Leaked videos and pictures show this change. By making the phone wider, it will be thinner when folded and unfolded. This change will also make it easier to use apps on the bigger screen inside. In addition to the aspect ratio change, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might also get a feature from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a titanium frame. Since the phone is expected to be expensive, using this premium material makes sense. This change would make the Galaxy Z Fold 6 more durable. Instead of the aluminum frame Samsung has been using, titanium should be stronger and able to withstand drops and other damage better. One problem foldable phone users often face, especially with notebook-style ones, is the strain on the inner display. Samsung made improvements in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 with a gapeless hinge, but the Z Fold 6 might go even further with a trademark application for Iron Flex. The filing only mentions that it's related to a foldable OLED display panel and a foldable smartphone. From the name, it seems like it could make the display more resistant to scratches, including from constant folding. It would be even better if Samsung also boosts the brightness of both screens. Notebook-style foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 need a lot of power for multitasking and gaming. Unlike the S24 flagship series, which uses 2 different processors, the Z Fold 6 will only use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 without any Exynos chips for other markets. This means no matter where you buy it, whether in the US or elsewhere, the Z Fold 6 will use Qualcomm's latest and best processor. It's a smart choice because this chip gives big performance boosts and battery improvements as we've seen in phones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra and OnePlus 12.
Samsung Galaxy AI.
AI has been a big topic in consumer tech lately, and it's likely to play a significant role in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The recent One UI 6.1 update brought many Galaxy AI features, like generative edit and live translate, to older Galaxy devices, including the Z Fold 5. There hasn't been much information about new Galaxy AI features for the Z Fold 6 yet. It might get features related to flex mode like better multitasking, similar to the open canvas on the OnePlus Open. Exclusive Galaxy AI features could be a big selling point for the Z Fold 6, considering its high price. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.